What's up everybody? Welcome back to Deako TV. I'm your host Tori, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the most popular switches of 2021 in our year in review. Let's get started. First on the list is our powerful and functional smart switch. Not only is this the most practical smart switch in our line of devices, but it has a number of great uses like Wi-Fi connectivity, smart home integrations with Google Home and Alexa, and capability with various features in the Deako mobile app. So in 2021, we've gotten tons of feedback about timers, sunrise, sunset, and app controls outside your home. But the number one way we've seen Deako homeowners use their smart switch is with automatic sunrise, sunset schedules with their front and back porch lights. Because after a long day, people just love the added security of pulling up to a lit home. Next is the quick and easy simple dimmer. Now, this switch absolutely shines when it comes to areas like kitchens, dining rooms, and living rooms, and over the years we've had tons of homeowners talk about different rooms that are as bright as the sun, but that drastically changes with this simple swap. So if you're wondering about upgrades, this will be the perfect place to start. And with all these 5-star reviews, it really makes a big difference when it comes to making your house a home. Finally, we have the elegant and sophisticated motion sensor and timer. Gone are the days of you begrudgingly walking around turning off lights whilst whispering under your breath about how money doesn't grow on trees. Now you can command respect from your household with this time and money-saving device. Plus, it's got multiple time variations and detection modes to fit the busiest closet, laundry room, or pantry. This switch is a true example of simple automation. And there you have it, the 3 most purchased items in 2021. It's been a long year for all of us, but some would say it's been pretty lit. Thanks for tuning in to Deako TV. Again, I'm your host Tori. See you soon.